Well, hello YouTube, and today we have another, well, it's not a trash find printer, but it was headed towards the trash. This was from where I work, and it was actually in use till about a week ago, and then it just started jamming the paper. It wouldn't pull the paper up out of the tray. So let me run a test page here. This is a Lexmark T642 printer, monochrome laser printer. Print demo page. Crunch. 241.10 paper jam check tray 1. Alright, we're just going to go, and you can even, this printer, if you click show tray 1 where to check it, it'll actually do a little graphic, remove tray, remove print media, back, cancel. Alright, so if we pull the paper tray out here, you can see the paper's pretty jammed up there. And can actually see the paper never even makes it up into the printer. So let me pull the power off. We'll get the camera in closer and take a look at what's happening here. Okay, so this is the paper. And it kind of just, we can get the tray out of here now. The rollers, everything looks good under here. So I don't think the rollers are the problem because it is picking up the paper. The rollers aren't hardened or dried out or anything or cracked, or they don't even look worn, to be honest. I'm not sure what the page count on this printer is, but it doesn't seem to be overly worn in any sort of way. So we'll come back up here now. And one thing that I noticed was the paper comes up, and underneath this front piece here, there's a little ridge. And this little ridge is, okay, there's a gap here, but over on this side, it is like straight touching down. Oh, what did we do there? I just pushed that, this cover down, and it, okay, let's take a look back underneath to just double check. I'll flip the printer up on its back and we'll be. This is the underside of the feed mechanism. This drops down when the paper tray is put in. This flips the paper up in, and this is the guide where the paper comes up through. And it looks like we've got a little issue here. I think my flashlight's dying. That's going to make everybody sick. Anyway, if you see that little, we see this little tab here is supposed to be on this pin. Like that. Well, let's put the paper back in and give it another try here. Alright, ready. Tray 1 low. Let's go back to menu. Reports. Print demo. Demo page. Let's see what happens. And it's fixed. Here we go. Actually, while we're on here, we're going to see how much, what the page count on this printer actually is. Reports, device statistics. That should give the page count and everything. Alright, see, fuser supply levels okay. Plain paper 175,061. Total printed sheets 297,100. I don't know what the but it actually gives the job even job lengths, and it totals all that. So yeah. Toner level, well, we're gonna need a new toner cartridge sometime, but we're down here. But anyway, yeah, decent printer. This one is actually going to be going back with me to work, and I'm going to be using it there, as I really don't have any use for it here at home. But this also has the second paper tray for legal size paper, which will come in handy. So anyway, there we go. Lexmark T642. Thanks for watching.